better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free, and it'll help you learn this song a whole lot easier. Plus, there's a few surprise gifts for you inside of the blueprint. Thomas Rhett's got a new one out. What's Your Country Song? And we're going to go through that today. By the way, thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. And hit me up with any questions or comments you got. I'd love to hear from you. All right, let's get right to this. So this song, we're going to capo on the 3rd fret, okay? So I'm going to call out the chords as they land. And there's only a few of them. The first one is the B minor shape, B minor shape, G, and then A to D. And that's pretty much all the chords in the song. What they do is they switch up and actually reverse in the chorus. So the verse feel goes like this. B minor, G, A, D, okay? Again. Slightly different. Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday we pick a new winner to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the YouTube channel and you're automatically registered to win. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and get updates for when new videos are uploaded. And make sure you like this video and comment down below for even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our daily video and in the community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson. All right, here's the chorus. B minor, D, B minor, G, D, again, G, then it goes to A. Country song. There's a solo here. Same as the verse changes. So that's pretty much the changes to this song. You got your verse changes, which is the B minor, G, A, D, and you got your chorus changes, which is B minor, G, D, A, over and over, B minor, G, D, A, till the end of the chorus it goes B minor, G, A, what's your country song? And then back into the verse feel. So that's What's Your Country Song by Thomas Rhett. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you down the road. Thank you for taking the time to check out this online guitar lesson. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a whole lot easier at www.jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag and apparel, guitar gear, and sometimes we'll even give away cold hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment below and share this video with anyone you think might like it. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck!